lovely people, and welcome to Ticwatch. In today's tech unboxing video, I'm going to unbox something that I got as a birthday gift. Yesterday is my birthday and my partner gifted me this, the Ticwatch Pro 3 GPS. Did I got it right? Yes, it's the Ticwatch Pro 3 GPS. I have been using the Ticwatch Pro for a very long time and it was absolutely delightful. It's a very good watch with a dual display, which meant that that watch can go for pretty much weeks, if not up to a month, without needing a recharge, because you will have the dual e-ink display working on a low battery level when you're hardly having any charge. That watch has been really good. However, unfortunately, the charger kind of broke, I believe. I haven't been able to recharge that phone. I am yet to buy a new charger, and my partner gave me this. So I will be buying the charger for that and probably selling that off, and this becomes my main watch moving forward. So here is a quick unboxing video which I took this morning in a rush because I had to step out and I needed to wear my new watch. It was a quick unboxing. I'll definitely do a review soon in the next month or so, but for now, enjoy the quick unboxing video of the Ticwatch Pro 3 GPS. Here we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video of the Ticwatch Pro 3 GPS. I will do a review probably in another month or so because we're quite busy lately. We're planning to move our house, so probably by end February you might get a review video, or probably in March you'll get a review video. I don't know how this is going to go, but I hope you enjoyed that video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video as well, and click on the bell icon so that you can know when I'm uploading my next video, because I for one have no idea when I'm going to upload my next unboxing video. But mind you, I do have a few videos which are pending editing, so watch out for more videos, guys, and I will see you all in the next one. It's bye from Ticwatch for now.